Unlock success. 20 proven businesses to start with. Just $1,000 got $1,000 and wondering how to turn it into a thriving business? You're in the right place. Starting a business can feel daunting, but with the right idea and a small investment, you can set yourself up for success. Welcome to 9-Figure Life, where today we're sharing 20 foolproof business ideas you can launch with minimal upfront cost. Whether you're looking for low-risk services or high-reward ventures, we've got something for everyone. Be sure to like, subscribe, and drop a comment if one of these ideas sparks your entrepreneurial spirit. Now, let's dive in. 1. Dropshipping business. This e-commerce model lets you sell products without holding any inventory. Using platforms like Shopify, you can build an online store and source products directly from suppliers. The best part? No need to buy stock up front. When a customer orders, you buy the item from the supplier, and they ship it straight to the customer. Your initial $1,000 covers website setup and marketing to get your store off the ground. 2. Lawn mowing. Lawn care is a simple, high-profit business you can start with minimal equipment. Invest in a commercial lawn mower for under $1,000, even cheaper if you buy used, and begin offering services in your local area. With a solid advertising plan and consistent service, you can quickly scale by reinvesting profits into more tools, a trailer, or even hiring extra help. 3. Social media management. With businesses relying heavily on their social media presence, becoming a social media manager can be incredibly profitable. You'll create content, run ads, and engage with customers on platforms like Instagram, Facebook, and TikTok. All you need is a computer and marketing savvy. This is a service that scales easily as you gain clients and establish yourself as an expert. 4. Freelance writing. If you've got a way with words, freelance writing can turn your talent into profit. From blog posts to marketing copy, businesses are always looking for quality content. With little more than a computer and writing samples, you can pitch your services to clients via platforms like Upwork or Fiverr. As you build your portfolio, your rates can increase alongside your reputation. 5. IT consulting. Tech-savvy individuals can start a tech consulting business offering services like managed IT, hardware repair, or software consulting. This industry is booming, with revenues projected to reach billions. With your $1,000, you can buy necessary equipment and market your services to small businesses needing tech solutions. 6. Tutoring. If you excel in a specific subject, tutoring can be a great side hustle or full-time gig. You can offer personalized lessons in math, science, or test prep. Your investment goes towards setting up a website, marketing your services, and purchasing any necessary materials. Once you build a solid client base, you can expand into group tutoring sessions or online courses. 7. House cleaning. Starting a house cleaning business is as easy as buying basic cleaning supplies. With minimal upfront investment, you can offer your services to busy homeowners looking to outsource their chores. Residential cleaning is easier to break into than commercial cleaning, making it an ideal option for someone looking to start small and grow. 8. Amazon FBA. Amazon's fulfillment program lets you sell products without handling shipping or customer service. You ship your products to an Amazon warehouse, and they take care of the rest. With a few well-chosen products and your $1,000 covering inventory and Amazon fees, you can quickly grow your business by reinvesting profits. 9. Event planning. For those with a knack for organization, event planning can be a lucrative business. From weddings to corporate events, people need help managing every detail. Your $1,000 will go toward marketing, building a website, and networking with local vendors. With experience, you can scale up to manage bigger events and even expand into other related services. 10. Handyman services. If you've got basic home repair skills, starting a handyman business is a no-brainer. With $1,000, you can buy essential tools and market your services. Homeowners are always in need of quick fixes, and a reliable handyman can make a solid income with minimal overhead. As you build your client base, you can invest in more specialized tools and expand your offerings. 11. Custom photography. With a passion for photography and an entry-level camera, you can turn your hobby into a business. Specializing in a niche like weddings, portraits, or real estate photography can help focus your marketing efforts and build a steady stream of clients. As your business grows, you can reinvest in better equipment and increase your rates. 12. Mobile game development. The mobile game industry is massive, with top apps generating thousands daily. While creating a high-quality game can be expensive, you can start small with $1,000, creating a basic game with microtransactions. As you gain users, you can reinvest in development and marketing to reach a wider audience. 13. Personal chef. If cooking is your passion, becoming a personal chef can be a fun and profitable business. Many busy families and professionals would gladly pay for someone to handle their weekly meals or special events. With $1,000, you can cover marketing costs and initial ingredients. You can also expand into meal prep services or small catering. 14. Kickstarter project. Got a creative idea but need funding? Use Kickstarter to bring your vision to life. Whether it's a book, album, or innovative product, Kickstarter allows you to raise funds by connecting directly with your audience. Your $1,000 will go towards marketing and creating a prototype to attract backers. 15. Instagram clothing line. If fashion is your passion, you can start an Instagram-based clothing line with $1,000. Use your funds to create an initial product line and promote it with high-quality photos. Reach out to influencers or friends with large followings to help you get noticed. As your brand grows, you can reinvest profits into bigger product releases. 16. Pet sitting or dog walking. Pet owners are always looking for reliable care for their furry friends. Starting a pet sitting or dog walking business is low cost and requires little more than your time and love for animals. Invest in marketing materials and basic supplies like leashes and treats to get started. It's a flexible, enjoyable business that scales easily as demand grows. 17. Subscription business. The subscription model is booming across industries, from streaming services to product boxes. With $1,000, you can create a simple subscription business that provides recurring revenue. Your product or service can be anything from curated content to physical items. And as subscriptions grow, so does your income. 18. Website design. Website design remains a profitable business with low startup costs. Every new business needs a website, and you can provide this service remotely. With an initial investment of $1,000, you can buy software, create a portfolio, and begin offering services. Over time, you can expand into SEO, e-commerce integration, and even branding services. 19. Graphic design. If you have a talent for design, there's always demand for logos, social media graphics, and marketing materials. With $1,000, you can invest in design software and create a portfolio. As you grow, you can specialize in areas like branding or custom illustrations, attracting higher-paying clients. 20. Online course creation. If you're knowledgeable in a specific area, creating an online course is a fantastic way to generate passive income. Use platforms like Udemy or Teachable to sell your courses to a global audience. Your $1,000 can go towards recording equipment, editing software, and marketing to get your course in front of the right people. With these 20 business ideas, turning $1,000 into a successful venture has never been more achievable. The key is starting small, staying focused, and reinvesting in your growth. Whether you're looking for a low-risk service business or a high-reward product venture, there's an idea here that can get you on the path to success. So, what will you do with your $1,000? Let us know in the comments below, and don't forget to subscribe for more business tips and inspiration.